A single leaf of this plant, and you will not want to stop using it. But before I tell you the name of this plant, tell me which plant you think this is, and if you have it at home, also tell me what name you know it with. In my country, we know it as polyurethane. This oregano is one of the most widely used plants worldwide, as it acts as an antioxidant, diuretic, analgesic, expectorant, anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, carminative, and sedative. Oregano stands out for its content of omega-3, iron, magnesium, copper, and calcium, as well as for providing vitamin B6, vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin K, which are essential for good health. It is also one of the plants that has no side effects, unless you are pregnant or breastfeeding. In today's video, I will explain the benefits of this plant. So stay until the end, since I will tell you how you should prepare and consume it so that you can take advantage of all its benefits. Next, I present its benefits for you. Number 1. Eliminates intestinal parasites. It stops the development of parasites and prevents serious infections in the digestive system. Number 2. Relieves rhinitis and sinusitis. People who suffer from these diseases can find great relief when consuming this plant, especially if they prepare tea with it. Number 3. It takes care of the skin. Oregano acts with its antioxidant properties and helps maintain the regeneration capacity in the skin for longer. Number 4. Improves the cardiovascular system. Thanks to its large amount of potassium, it manages to maintain blood pressure under control and regulates the heart rate. To prepare this tea in a pot, we will add 300 milliliters of water. Then we will add the oregano leaves, 2 cinnamon sticks, and a clove of garlic. We will bring everything to a boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Personally, I love this tea. Friends, while it boils here, take advantage of this moment and tell me from what city or country you see us to send you a very special greeting in our next recipe. Our greeting today is for Jorge Matias from Mexico and for Antonia Alfonseca from Puerto Rico. Thank you very much for watching and sharing our videos. After this time, let the tea rest for 5 minutes and then strain it. Now we will add 2 teaspoons of honey and mix very well. You can take a cup of this tea in the mornings and you will see how it improves your health. If you prefer, you can also take it at night. Tell me if you like the recipe and if you will. If you like this recipe, I would appreciate it if you help me make it reach more people. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can be the first to receive our advice.